this is Eric Gamer. Today we're back in Car Crushers, and today we got a special guest, Press-a-thon. Yes, I know that username is very strange. You might be thinking like, Eric Gamer, what kind of username is that? I mean, the guest was trying to link his username to Preston, but because it was taken, she had to change it, and in the end, he's Press-a-thon. So he's here behind me, and hi Press-a-thon. Hi. So since I've noticed that this is your first time in Car Crushers. How do you like it here?
I don't know.
Okay. So because I'm a millionaire and you can't access to here with a vehicle, we are here at a magnet, and you will probably know what happened next. You know.
Yeah, I know.
What's gonna happen next?
The magnet will suck the car up, and then
It's actually attract the car to the magnet. Yeah. Come here. Okay, never mind. You can go there. And because this is like my first time doing this, I don't know what will happen. Like, bruh. If it's very cool, then like, you know, yeah. And because I will wait for the special guest to come up. Okay. You may watch the show now. Okay, enable conveyor. Conveyor is coming in. Wait, how did that car get in? Who cares? Anyway, wait, how did it go up? No. You attract the car? You attract it? Okay. And 3, 2, 1, boom! Bro. Okay, that's cool. Okay, oh my god! What's happened to the... Oh my god. This boy, lol blah blah blah, who is just directly under me. He's actually very good. He's helping me to attract and unattract the magnet. So, thank you. I don't think he notices it. But never mind. We're gonna continue it. So basically, this red button is disable and enable, and you know. Bruh. The whole thing is like demolished. And now we'll go back to spawn. Okay? And wait here. Where are you? Okay. I'm going to row 2. I can see him. Sit behind me. I don't want you to sit all the way at the back. Wait. You wait there. Sit behind me. Wait. I just... Okay, get in the car. Get in. Okay. Get in. Okay, he's... Okay. Now he is... Okay. We are now going to another crusher, which is in row 1, which is actually the beginner row, where you first have to crush a car, which is gonna be very fun. Because it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be unfun. I don't know how you call it. And there's a new Roblox event, Metaverse, and this game, Car Crushers, is apparently linked to the new event. And yeah. Okay, and able freezer. I want to make it go slow. Okay, then my middles also can. Let's go. Bring in the bus. Oh, come on. The bus is stuck. You have to be stuck. Bus. Seriously? Seriously, bus? You have to be stuck. No. Don't kill me. gonna go a bit forward. Okay, let's go. Before the thing kills me. Shit. It didn't kill me, did it? Okay, it didn't kill me, but it's killing the bus. That means the bus is currently getting frozen, and you know, I think you get an idea. This is the flame freeze thrower, I guess. And it's currently destroying the car, causing it to like, you disable it? Enable, good. So what we are trying to do is, okay, there is a live competition and I am 30 parts. Hopefully nobody takes over. Oh my god. Bruh. Disable. Never mind. It's alright. I don't need it. I don't need credits. I don't really need credits. So, come on. We're gonna destroy this guy. Come on. Come on. Just hop in. Just hop in. Okay, good. We're going. We're going to crush this car. For all I care, I don't care. Don't really care. Just want to get... I mean, I want to get first place, but I also don't want to get first place. For some reason. We're going on the racetrack and you get it. I think you get the idea. Crush the car! Crush the damn car! Crush the car! Good. The bus is half crushed. And where am I? Okay. We are back and... Wait. So, wait, no, you go to the race, you go to the racetrack. We are now gonna crush this car, but I don't know how. We're going to crush this car somehow. Somehow. Oh, I know what to do. I'm smart. I know what to do. We are not going to the racetrack. We are not going to the racetrack. But we are going to the magnet. Like I said, the magnet is one of the strongest tools in this whole game. Because it's very... I mean, it's not one of the... Sorry. It's not one of the strongest, but it's a very good one. It's a very good weapon. How about we use a tilt crash, speed crash? Tilt speed crash. No, you don't wait for me. Okay, because I'm trying to get first place. Let's go! How did I even participate in this race? I don't know. Okay, where am I? Come on. 32 parts? Seriously? Come on. Give me a break. Please. Quick. Make it quick. Come on. Never mind. Anyway, the bus is going. Yeah. The bus is going. It's apparently not getting destroyed. And I don't even know the results. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we are so close. We're so close. Just a couple of $1,000. Okay, we are gonna respawn and okay, we are going to the magnet. We are going to the magnet. I like the magnet. It's very cool. I like magnets. Magnets are one of the best tools you can ever find. Why? I don't know. Anyway, we are just going to go up the ladders, of course, and I want to do something. Slow, enable conveyor, and see what happens. I think we'll just like slowly get attracted to it for some reason. And boom! Disable. Disable. Enable, disable, enable, disable, enable, disable, enable, disable. Bro, this is so fun. Crushing cars is so fun. I just realized that. Row 2. Crushing cars is damn fun. I don't know why. It's just so fun. It's just too fun to be imagined. Like, look, the bus is not getting destroyed. I know. I don't care. Because the point of this game is having fun. Crushing the car. Get it? Crush the car, please. Crush. I think this will work. For some reason. Okay. So now we are gonna respawn a vehicle and see how is it. Purchase it, okay. Wait, I need to go to the dealership. Okay, close.
I'm here, wait for me.
Wait, no, I'm getting another car. Oh my god, I just, never mind. So, so now we are just gonna get our car. And what's this? Toyota? Okay, no. I'm gonna get a big car, then I can install the thing. Oh, bro. Winter. Oh my god. Winner. Bro. Bro. Did I just say correctly? Where is it? I need my car. I need my trusty car. It's very trusty. Trust me. Wait, what? Okay, never mind. I can't find it. But I will find it. Okay, that's it. There it is. Customize. We are gonna get it. We are so gonna get it. We're so gonna get it. No, where is it? Bruh. Where is it? Wait. Metaverse champions. Purchase the wheat fellow add-on. Add-on. Okay, never mind. We are so gonna get this. Okay, use the transit bus. Fine. I'll use the transit bus. I hate you. I don't know. Sure. And there we go. We need the our dear transit bus, just to collect the scraps. Just to, you know, stuff. I know. Speed crash test. I love it. No, please don't be long. Please don't be short. Is it long or short? If it's long, good. If it's short, no, please don't. Long. Go, we are going. We are going down the hill, just going down the hill. We are going up the straight, crashing against the wall. Going at a very high speed, although it's not so high. We are so gonna reach it. And I'm already at the max. Why? Just at least get some scraps. To fulfill at least a quarter of it. Oh, okay, good. Go. Okay, good. Now what? What do we have to do? Purchase the wedge polo and Eladon. Where is it? Where is it?